Imagine waking up one day and realizing that the world around you is no longer just real. It's been recreated by AI. Every street, every building, every tiny detail, digitally mapped and enhanced by artificial intelligence so powerful that it doesn't just understand the world, it redefines it. Google's latest AI isn't just another chatbot or smart assistant. It's something much bigger. It's literally rebuilding reality. And in the process, it's unlocking a level of intelligence that could surpass anything humans have ever known. And the implications? They're mind-blowing. So what is Google up to? And what does this mean for humanity? Buckle up, because today we're diving deep into Google's most ambitious AI project yet. Before we get into the mind-bending future, let's talk about the foundation. Google has been working on something called a digital twin of the real world. Think of it as a hyper-realistic, AI-powered simulation of Earth. Not just a basic 3D map, but a full-scale data-driven replica. One that learns, adapts, and updates in real time. Why? Because in order to achieve superhuman intelligence, AI needs to understand the world at a deeper level than ever before. Google has already laid the groundwork. From Google Earth to Street View to AI-powered maps, the company has been collecting massive amounts of data for years. But now AI isn't just analyzing this data, it's rebuilding the world with it. Imagine AI that doesn't just see a building. It understands its materials, its history, its function in society. Imagine AI that doesn't just recognize faces. It comprehends emotions, social dynamics, and even cultural significance. This is the next step in AI perception. It's no longer about identifying objects. It's about understanding the meaning behind them. Google's AI can process vast amounts of visual, audio, and textual data all at once. It can take in a city's traffic flow, economic activity, and human movement, and predict what will happen next. It's not just observing reality, it's decoding it. And that's where things start to get really interesting. If AI can recreate the world digitally, what's stopping it from running simulations to predict the future? Spoiler alert, nothing. Google's AI can now create predictive models that simulate everything from climate change to urban development to global economics. Want to know how a new city will function before it's even built? AI can simulate it. Want to predict how a disease outbreak will spread? AI can model it. The potential applications are endless. And then there's the bigger picture. Here's where things take a turn. Building a digital twin of the world isn't just about better maps or smarter AI assistants. It's about reaching a level of intelligence that surpasses human capabilities. Superhuman intelligence isn't just about knowing more. It's about thinking in ways that humans can't. AI will be able to generate new scientific discoveries, optimize entire industries, and even solve problems we haven't thought of yet. And Google isn't the only player in this game. Other tech giants, from OpenAI to Microsoft, are racing toward the same goal. But Google has one massive advantage: data. More data means better models. Better models mean smarter AI. And smarter AI means, well, a new era of intelligence. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. If AI can reconstruct reality, who controls that reality? How do we prevent AI from being used for manipulation, misinformation, or even control over society? If AI can predict the future, should it be allowed to influence it? These are questions that governments, ethicists, and scientists are scrambling to answer. Because the truth is, once AI reaches superhuman intelligence, there's no turning back. We are standing on the edge of a revolution. Google's AI is not just creating smarter systems. It's rewriting how intelligence itself works. From digital twins to predictive simulations to superhuman intelligence, we are entering a future that was once only imagined in science fiction. The question is no longer what if. The question is what now? How will we use this technology? How will it shape our world? And most importantly, are we ready for what comes next? Because whether we are or not, it's already here. Stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.